Hello everyone, I'm back to creating videos. I haven't put any out in a few days. Just been a little busy. But today I'm gonna play Powder Game View, or um, it's a really cool game I found. I'm gonna do like a little roleplay thing here. Hold on. I'm gonna make something. I'm gonna make a house, crap, out of metal. Like, this is really cool actually. I really like this game. I'm gonna have two little players. They're gonna be a spark and a gas. With these two, they're gonna be the greatest combination ever. Because what they don't see coming is this. With his power of gas. Hold on a second. Let me just kill that guy. Um, with his power of gas. I know. Oh crap. Might as well just leave that. Just off with your head. With his power of gas and his power of spark, they can create fire. That's really cool. Because now he can kill. Thought you were gonna kill me. This is just a really fun game. I really like it. But here's what I really like to do. Is I'll take these firework things right here. Okay, layer it on. Layer it on. Then I'll take little fighters, so people, basically. And I'll just place that there. And it shoots acid. That's not what I wanted at all. Okay, what I meant to do... Okay, so I want a clone thing, and I want acid. So I'm going to make the clone bridge right here. Now get rid of this right there. Fighters. We'll put fighters down here. Fighters, 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 fighters. Fighters everywhere. So now that we have those, we can put acid up here. And it'll just rain on them. And they die. But another thing I find really cool is that I can take this little ball. I can make acid. Then I can take metal, make a tiny circle, make a bigger circle around that, make a bigger circle around that, make a big circle around that, make a big circle around that. And I can just take this ball and just spawn them, and they'll eat the metal, and they'll eat it, eat it, eat it, my children. It's just so much fun. I get lost in this game. So yeah, I get little acid balls. Yep, no one wants to eat my balls. That was horrible. Okay. And then we'll just pour magma. But what's funny is, it eats the magma. It's just weird. And the magma eats the metal. Which is also weird. In its own special way, though. And the laser can kill anything. Like, take acid. This is just a really cool game. I like it. Like, take the acid. It'll kill the acid. Very slowly, but it will kill the acid. I'm outside right now because my brother won't stop being a dick. I try to record and he interrupts me all the time. But my lasers kill them. Kill it. Kill the acid. Kill that acid. Kill it. Kill it. You want to. You know you want to. Oh, another thing I find really cool. Hold on, let me reset this. I want to bomb Nitro. Well, no, hold on. I don't want to do much work. So I'll just make a clone thing. Boop 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 boop. I'll make a C4 here. Then I'll make what was I gonna do? I was gonna put I was gonna spawn some oil. So now I have C4, nitro, and oil, and a bomb. So if I place this right here, spadoom. Really cool. I love this game so much. I love it to death. But if it's just oil, I'll just spawn in some oil real quick. And light it on fire. It does something really cool. See? It makes real cool stuff. It makes cool stuff. Because this game is cool. It's cool, man. Then if we spawn little fighters in. Fighters, not boxes. They fly. And then they die. See, they fly and then they die. Yep. That's basically life in about 2 seconds. See, their life isn't very long. Now, I've been trying for a while. Those acid balls that I started off with. I've been trying to contain them. It's really hard to. But I use stone. I like to use stone. It's really cool. It's like metal, but it falls. So I find it really cool. Like, you can build stuff like this. And it's really cool. But it's really easy for the acid balls to go through. So I've been trying to protect my little players. Well, maybe not. Hold on. Can't remember if it... Oh, wait, no. It's not the stone. Because the stone just keeps falling and it makes it harder, actually. But then it's actually easier because it can go through the top. Okay, so I'm either really dumb or really smart here. But the stone is cool. I like it. But we're gonna help this thing a lot. Just burn. Whoa. Okay, I don't think I did this right. Player. Maybe it's something else. Wait, I want a fan. I want a fan, dude. Whoa. Okay, now I'm a stone dude. I'm a stoner. Oh wait, I just made you stoner. Now we're spitting stones. I can see that being some kind of band name. Yep, spitting stones. But yeah, I'll have to play this again sometime. This has been really fun. Let me end off on a high note. Okay. So like I said, well, I'll say this, like, I wanted to quit YouTube videos the other day, but my friend actually talked me out of quitting, so thank him. And I'm not gonna quit to him. And I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out, bruh. Peace out.